Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to review the Mini Band 3. I have been already 3 months with this Xiaomi Band 3 and I really like it because I found it very useful. Came in a box with the manual that weighs a ton. I don't know why they still doing manuals in paper. We are going to see the pros and cons about this watch. The band came with the heart rate monitor that it's in here. You put it in the waist and it's capable to see your heart rate. I've been using this band for 3 months and the band is in perfect state. The rubber is...
You can remove the main body like this.
And you have a special connector to charge the band. This is the thing that I don't really like, because if you are at work and you run out of battery, you cannot charge it. But think about this charger, this wire. Let's take a look to the functionalities of the band.
You activate the band by touching the screen. This is the main screen. Here you will find date and time. You sweep your finger to the top to go to the next screen. Now we are in the day statistics. To see all the daily statistics, you sweep the finger to the left. Here you will find how many steps have you done this day, the distance you have completed, and how many calories you have burned. And also is the remaining battery in the band. I don't know why, but to go to the lower position, you need to be in the left option. In the third position we found the heart rate monitor. To measure your heart rate, you have to hold the capacitor button that is in the bottom of the band. You should fasten the band slightly above your wrist, 1 centimeter about. Wearing too tight or too loose will affect the heart rate. In the next position you will find weather prediction for today, tomorrow and after tomorrow. If we go to the position just below, you can start exercise from the band. In the next position you will find the notifications that you configure in the Xiaomi Fit application. In the lower position you will find useful functionalities. You have a stopwatch. The stopwatch is start holding the capacitor button and is stop using the touch screen. To reset the stopwatch, you hold the capacitor button. Sometimes the screen doesn't change when you sweep your finger. Next in the menu is the silent functionality. You can change the sound mode of your mobile phone. The last useful functionality is the find device functionality. If your mobile phone is in the range of the Bluetooth of the Mi Band, you can hold the capacitor button and your mobile phone will start to ring very loud. So you can easily find it. The next position allows you to change the layout of the main screen. You have several options. You can perform a factory reset. I'm not going to try it in the video. In the last section of this menu, the About section, you will find some information about this band. I don't find this very useful.
One thing you will notice is that it has several scratches. At the first hit in the wall, you will get it scratched. It's the only thing that I don't like from this band, is that very easy to scratch. There are protectors out there, but... Okay, I can start the exercise on the application. Let's go!
I think this is the best fit band you can buy for less than 30 euros. I can't believe you can control your heart rate at this price. And the new band that is going to launch Xiaomi, the Band 4, for sure is going to be a little bit more expensive, and it will have also some extra functionality. The silicone band is very comfortable, you don't notice that you are wearing it. The design is quite simple. It is not the most beautiful watch that I had in my life. It's waterproof up to 15 meters. The screen is small, but the information is well sized. You have a lot of useful information here. A feature that I miss in this band is an altimeter, because it is not the same to go running through the mountains to go running in a flat surface. I'm very happy with the band. A thing that I really appreciate is that you get notice of the important notification you get on your mobile phone. Whenever you receive a phone call, you get notice. You can have your mobile phone all day in vibration mode and you will not miss any call. Do I recommend this band? I think it's a perfect start point, but after 4 or 5 months using it, I'm looking for something better with more functionalities like GPS, NFC payment, altimeter, MP3 player, so probably I will buy a new Fit band soon. If you are interested in knowing how to configure the Mi Fit application to link the Mi Band 3, let me know in the comments. It will be a hard work, but I will do it for you. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.